a kind-hearted girl named Sarah. She was 7 years old and loved helping her neighbors. Every morning, Sarah began her day with the words Bismillah, in the name of Allah, as her mother had taught her. One sunny morning, Sarah noticed her elderly neighbor, Auntie Hiba, sitting on her porch, looking sad. Auntie Hiba had hurt her leg and couldn't go to the market to buy food. Sarah wanted to help. She ran home and told her mother about Auntie Hiba. Her mother smiled. "That's very kind of you, Sarah. Why don't we prepare a basket of food for her? But remember, say Bismillah before we start, so Allah will bless our efforts." Sarah said, Bismillah, and together they filled a basket with fresh bread, fruits, and warm soup. Sarah carried the basket carefully to Auntie Hiba's house, whispering a prayer, "Ya Allah, make Auntie Hiba feel better." When Auntie Hiba saw Sarah with the basket, her face lit up with joy. "Oh, Sarah! You are such a kind girl. May Allah bless you and your family." Sarah sat with Auntie Hiba, chatting and sharing stories while Auntie Hiba ate. Before leaving, Sarah said, "Next time you need help, just call me, Auntie." That evening, as Sarah lay in bed, her mother tucked her in and said, "You made Auntie Hiba so happy today." When you show kindness, you not only bring joy to others, but you also earn the pleasure of Allah. Sarah smiled and whispered, "I'll always say Bismillah before helping others, Mama. It makes everything feel special." From that day on, Sarah became known in her village as the kindness girl. Everyone admired her gentle heart. She continued to start all her good deeds with Bismillah, and she felt the barakah in everything she did. The end. Moral of the story: always begin with Bismillah to invite Allah's blessings into your actions, and remember that kindness is a beautiful way to earn Allah's pleasure and make the world a happier place.